Welcome to Life in My Greenhouse. Today, I'll be sharing my tips and tricks on how to make fried plantain or plantain, tostados, plátanos, patacones. Well, you get the idea. Many names for a delicious dish that can be enjoyed as a snack or a meal. I'll show you how a dinner for two can cost you less than $5, my tips for making them extra delicious, and why they can improve your health. Without further ado, let's get into the kitchen. If you intend on preparing green plantains, start by selecting full, firm plantains at the store. Green plantains contain more starch but less sugar than the ripe ones. They can be a little tricky to remove the skin. However, follow my tip to make it hassle-free. Instead of removing the skin all at once, cut both ends of the plantain and then cut into 1.5 to 2 inch pieces. The size is really up to you. Cut an opening at the end and then use your knife to easily remove the skin. Working with the smaller pieces makes it easier to remove the skin. If this is your first time making it, be sure to make more than one because it's super delicious. Add approximately 4 tablespoons of oil to a frying pan on medium heat so that we can do our first shallow fry. We'll cook them in the pan until they're golden yellow. The objective is not to cook them right through, just to cook them enough so that we can flatten them and cook them again. The first fry will soften the plantain on the outside and slightly on the inside. Trying to flatten the plantains without frying them first would cause them to break apart. And not to mention it would be very difficult to flatten. This will take approximately 3 or 4 minutes. Any sturdy, flat device works well. You can use cutting boards or the back of a plate. Place your plantain on a flat surface and using a mug or plate, press down. You can also do this on parchment paper to make cleanup quicker. After a long day, you might actually find this very therapeutic. Once you've done with your batches, it's time to fry them all over again. If you're not having them right away, this is a great point for you to set them aside until you're ready. To make your fried plantains extra crispy, fry them on medium heat. Extremely low heat will cause them to absorb too much oil. If your heat is too high, then your outsides will be crispy while the insides will remain uncooked. Cook them on both sides for 3 to 4 minutes each until they are golden and delicious. And generously sprinkle with sea salt. If you like what you see, smash the like button. When they're done, place them on a wire rack to drain the oil. And just like that, you've made delicious fried green plantains. If you're making fried ripe plantains, slice them thinly and fry accordingly. Reduce your heat slightly lower to prevent them from burning. Ripe plantains will cook faster than the green. Although plantains are technically a fruit, they're often treated as a starchy vegetable due to their savory flavor. So what about the health benefits, you ask? Plantains have been known to improve digestion. They also act as a prebiotic, creating beneficial bacteria in your gut. Studies have shown that they help with weight management. They are slow to digest, so they keep you fuller longer. And on top of that, they are super rich in fiber. I don't know anyone on the planet that doesn't need fiber. Do you? Green plantains generally have a lower glycemic index compared to ripe or yellow ones. This means they are less likely to cause rapid spike in blood sugar levels. However, individual responses can vary, and it's advisable for those monitoring blood sugar levels to consume plantains in moderation. Consider factors like your overall diet and accompanying foods. The cooking methods also influence the glycemic index. All things in moderation, I say. One of my favorite ways of enjoying fried green plantains is with sardines. They are rich in fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, and are a nutritious addition to a balanced diet. They offer a perfect balance of flavor, are easy to make, and they're easy on your pockets. Add fresh backyard garden tomatoes, or in my case, greenhouse tomatoes. And a balanced dinner for two with plantains and sardines would cost you less than $5. Don't knock it till you try it. Have them as a snack or pair them with eggs for your breakfast. No matter what name you decide to call them, I think we can all agree that plantains are absolutely delicious. And with all their nutritional benefits, I can see why some consider them to be a superfood. If you've made it till the end, 2 green thumbs up for you. A special thanks to all new subscribers. Type plantain in the comments so I could welcome you personally. As a thank you for watching, I've included a recipe card for you right here. Be sure to check out more delicious recipes in our What's for Breakfast playlist. Take care of yourself, my beloved, and remember, the grass is always greener where you water it. See you next time.